Hey guys, Ryan Lane with Lane's Barbecue, and today we're talking chicken marsala on the grill. All right, first we got to get the oil hot. So all we're going to do is take our skillet here. We're going to add roughly about 4 tablespoons, maybe a little bit more of olive oil. You're just trying to get this hot. You're not trying to deep fry the chicken, just coat it. All right, so we've got 2 to 3 chicken breasts that we're going to actually cut in half. We're just gonna fillet these. You're just gonna take your knife, run it through, gonna open it up. You really were just looking for thin chicken breasts. You could even like pound them out a little bit more. All right, you wanna make sure these are good and flat, but more or less even along the whole thing. So we're just gonna take a little plastic bag, a little cast iron skillet. There we go. That way it's flat all the way across. All right, we've got our chicken fillets pounded out. What we're gonna do is season them first. We're gonna take a little SPG, nice little base layer, and some garlic squared. Get those seasoned. And then we're just gonna take a light layered, like a light dusting of flour. You just almost wanna shake that flour off. That way you got the seasoning already underneath it. Really light, just like this. All right. All right, so we've got the oil in the pan, we got it hot. We've got our seasoned and floured chicken breasts. Get these in and start cooking. What I'm gonna do is get these browned off. Now that we got the chicken in there, we're gonna add a little bit of butter too. Let that start slowly melting. All right, we've got the chicken. We're about to get it flipped here. Oh, look at this. Some nice crust, good color on there. Oh yeah. All right, once we get this flipped, we're gonna add in some onions. About a half of a small onion, some chopped garlic, some baby bella mushrooms, and then we're gonna add a half a cup of Marsala wine. And a 1/4 cup of some sherry. All right, we're gonna let this go. We're gonna go get some, we're gonna actually serve this with some fettuccine noodles. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious. That sauce is gonna start to thicken up a little bit. It'll be delicious. See you in a minute. All right guys, the marsala is done. It's all cooked. We got some fettuccine noodles we're gonna put down here. A little base layer. Nothing says family style meal like a little pasta. All right, here we go. We got our chicken we're gonna get laid out. Right, we got our mushrooms. Some of that sauce for on top. Little vegetables. All right. All right, guys, we got our chicken marsala that we did on the grill with some fettuccine noodles, mushrooms. We used our garlic squared, SPG, a little bit of marsala wine, and some sherry cooking wine. But listen, we got a hungry crew back there. This is ultimate family style. This is what it's all about, guys. Fellowship, gathering on a table, eating together. But since I made it, I get to take the first bite. Here we go. All right. Ooh, chicken. Get a little mushroom on there. Stay away from the vegetables. That is so good. It is tender. We pounded them out. The layers of flavor are amazing. Listen, guys, you are gonna love this recipe. Check it out.